In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailerlite to your Wix site by locating your API key in Mailerlite and adding the Mailerlite app inside Wix. To get started, open Google Chrome and log into your Mailerlite dashboard. Make sure you're on the main control screen so you can easily access the account settings. Once you're there, look toward the profile menu area and expand that menu to reveal the full list of available options. From that list, navigate to the integrations section. This is where Mailerlite keeps connection settings for external platforms and apps. Inside integrations, find your account's API secret key and copy it carefully. This key is what allows Wix and Mailerlite to communicate securely, so make sure you copy the full string exactly as shown. It's also a good idea to avoid sharing or displaying this key unnecessarily, since it acts like a private credential for your account. For this process, you only need to copy it and keep it ready for the next part. Now open a new browser tab and go to your Wix dashboard. You want to be inside the main framework layout of the site you plan to connect, so double check that you're working in the correct Wix account and site before continuing. Having Mailerlite open in one tab and Wix open in another makes the setup smoother and helps you move between platforms without losing your place. Once you're inside Wix, locate the Wix app market. Depending on your layout, this may appear through a sidebar drawer, utility panel, or app icon area. Open that section so you can search for available integrations and add-ons for your site. In the search field, type in Mailerlite and wait for the app result to appear. When you see Mailerlite in the search results, click Add to Site. This installs the app into your Wix environment and prepares it for connection with your Mailerlite account. If Wix prompts you with any confirmation windows during this stage, just proceed through them so the app can be added successfully. At this point, you've completed the core setup process, you've accessed the API secret key from Mailerlite, opened your Wix dashboard, found the Mailerlite app in the Wix app market, and added it to your site. Keeping both platforms organized in separate tabs can make the remaining connection steps much easier if you continue the setup afterward.